the Grassroots Dance Theater, Farmer Jane's series. And we're gonna continue our videos with these flowers. And we're gonna put our plants in the dirt, some more plants, some vegetables and everything. So I wanted to show you guys a few things. Now this is the rose bed. And remember I told you in the other video that has all this stuff has to be cleaned out. So you have to take the rake and you have to pull all that back and get all that out of there. All of the dry leaves and everything. A lot of that stuff is mulch and pulpwood. So you can get all that out of there like that. And another thing is when some of the flowers try to get old, like, just pull off the dead leaves. See this leaf right here? Pull that leaf off like that. And these here, some of the petals fall off. Sometimes the birds land on them and sometimes the wind knock it over. Just pull the petals off so it can produce a new flower and stuff. Here's one here, see? So you just want to gently remove the old petals like that. They all gonna fall, and that's the benefit of getting bushes with a lot of blooms on them, buds on them, because take all that off of there, see? And look at that dead leaf right there, see? Be careful because you will stick yourself. I don't know why I don't have my gloves on, but you could pick all that off like that. And we got a lot of flowers in here that the petals fell off. See? So you wanna pick that off. You wanna pick those petals off so they can produce some more flower petals. See? Oh, there's one right in between two pretty flowers. Just pull all that off like that and everything. And this, when the stems get like this here, right here, I just want to show a pruning technique on here. And I'm taking that scissors and I'm cutting them down in an angle. Cut that dead part, that dead stem off. Here it's called the pruning shear. And they got stuff to sharpen it with. Things here, they get dark on there. See that stem? Right there. Right there. You want to cut that at a diagonal between the joints at a diagonal. You want to cut that at a diagonal. And here's another one. So all this part, stuff like that, just need to be cut off. All of that. And this is one with a dead petal. All that need to cut off or pulled off. See, I just pull them off. Like that. Here's another one. Just pull that off like that. See? Pull the petals off. There's some more dead stubs. Video and do this at the same time. But you see how you got these getting ready to bloom? See, look at them. Those are what I call buds. And you want to get a plant with a lot of those buds on it. There. And here's another one. Pull all that off. I have a few that needs to be pruned. There's another dark stem right there. Right there need to be pruned. But all at the same time, you got baby buds ready to come and produce. There's a big one right there. Hey, look at that dry one right there. All you want to do is cut that at the base of the rose bush. Right here. You're going to cut right.